Hello and welcome to this new lesson. In this lesson, we will try Replit, another app builder that is similar to the other app builders that we've tried. To create an account in Replit, just go to the sign up button here on the top right. It will show you a different list of options that you can log in with. You can log in with Google, you can log in with GitHub, you can even log in with your X account. You can also use your email and password to create an account. But for this example, I already connected my GitHub account, so I'm going to use my GitHub account to log in to Replit. So let's click on the login button here. And I'll use my GitHub account to log into Replit. We're now logged into Replit. We can see that there's a chat box in the middle wherein it will ask us what we want to build. So it says here, describe an app or site you want to create. On the top also, it says, hi Melvin, what do you want to make? This is where we will add the prompts that we will use to create our app. So let's try to create an app. So let's try to create our app right now by adding the prompt, create a Todo List App. Then I'll click the Start Building button here so I can start creating our app. We can see that it's showing us that it's actually thinking before executing the code generation. So it analyzes our request and it will propose a plan for building a to-do list app for us. You see in the bottom near the chat box, it's actually showing some task that is actually doing. So now it's asking us what to do next. So it says, I'll analyze your request and propose a plan for building a to-do list app. So this is a list of things that Replit is asking us to check if we want to do it for our app. It asks us, do you want to build an initial prototype? Would you like any of these additional features? We can also make changes later. Add due dates and reminders for tasks, implement task categories or tags, add priority levels for tasks, or enable task sharing functionality. So right now, since we want to make our app very simple, let's not check these options right now. Let's do this later in the deep dive into the Replit tool. So what I will do is I will approve the plan and let it start building the app for us. On the right, you can see the process that it's actually doing. So right now, it's installing packages that our app needs, and let's just wait a bit. In the chat window, we can see that it's creating files for us, which it will execute later so it can show the app. So Replit has finished generating the code for us, and it run the app in the preview in the right. So now it's asking us, how does the to-do list application look and function? Can you add, toggle, edit, and delete tasks? Does the filter functionality work to show all active or completed tasks? Are there any issues or improvements you'd suggest? So this one is like a guide on what you need to do to the app, and it's giving us feedback if we want to do more for the app. So let's try to create a task for now. So we are able to create a task. So let's try to edit the task. So that's it. Replit was able to create an app for us by just using a single prompt. Later on in the next lessons, we're going to do a deep dive with Replit to show all the features that you can use with it.